Hey guys, so what a lot of people on videos don't tell you is it's normal to come to the little station at Materuni and you have to get a guide. So it seems a bit chaotic, but you get given a guide who takes you to the waterfalls. So just expect that when you get here, guys. So they all try and clamber for your business. But we've got a lovely young man over there called Godfrey and it's all normal. Hey guys, welcome to Team Tiger and our positive lifestyle channel. I'm Tiger Tanz and every day we go out into your communities hunting down positivity. And our positivity journey has taken us to Tanzania. We are at the Materuni waterfalls. We're about to embark on the little trail, get into it. So this video is going to cover the famous Materuni waterfalls, which is just above Moshi. It's on the hills of Kilimanjaro. I've seen all the videos of it before. It looks fantastic. I'm going to experience it and hopefully give you the experience to maybe encourage you to come to the Materuni waterfalls. So far, so good. We've met our guide and it's crucial to get a guide. You have to have a guide, and also he tells you so much information about the whole of the area. I've just been learning about coffee beans, about bananas, cooking bananas and eating bananas. So it's fantastic, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and it's all about the Materuni waterfalls and how positive Tanzania is. Come on, guys.
Up. And there is the view of Mount Kilimanjaro, but because of the cloudy.
Ooh. So just to prepare yourself, guys, the trip from Moshi to the start of the walk for Materuni waterfalls is very testy. I took a local tuk-tuk with my friends, Gasper and Mateta. Costs about £9. It's the entrance fee is about £8, but it's a hell of an experience. Very testy, very bumpy, but it's fantastic. So is that from the leaves?
Yeah, the leaves. We take the leaves and we burn in the fire. After we burn in the fire, so the smoke.
The ranger here?
No. This is like some people.
Hey guys, so we've just come down a bit of a track, a bit of a muddy track. We come to a little crossroads and it looks like we're going down this way behind me. Looks like it's going to get a bit more exciting now. So it wasn't the most exciting of paths coming down. Lovely views down the valley, but this is where it's happening. Come on.
People when they done that college, they get the certificate to be a mountain.
Hey guys, just trying some wild apricot.
Food, yeah.
Wild.
And the taste is amazing, yeah.
A little bit sour.
Yeah, the taste is sour, it's not
sour.
really sweet, yeah. But when they are real ripe, their taste will be sweet.
Yeah,
But
when it's
now,
bigger.
When it's bigger, yeah. Now,
katem? How do I say in Swahili? Delicious.
Kitam.
Kitam.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kitam.
Kitam.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's our first sighting of the river. And you know how Tiger loves his rivers. He's excited. I gotta say guys, just had the first view of the waterfall. It's up ahead, looks amazing. But I just immersed myself with the guide, and it's more than just the waterfall coming up to the Materuni waterfalls. It's everything. How the whole village life is embraced into nature. I've just been eating wild apricot. I've seen wild tomato. How they use eucalyptus, the leaves. And it smells amazing, and it helps them battle against flu. What else have we seen? We've seen avocado, the size of my head. The ones we get in the UK are little tiny ones and cost so much to come from California. These down here, and it's all organic. No chemicals used whatsoever, and the coffee beans as well. So guys, the guide is invaluable. It helps the local economy. Just got to give them a small bit of money, but it just makes the whole trip. So it's more than just the waterfalls, and that is saying something because Tiger loves his waterfalls, as you know from previous videos. Come on. And that. Simba. Wow guys, the Materuni waterfalls. Woo! Really impressive. We're going in for a closer look. Come on. So a bit of housekeeping guys. I think you're going to need some good footwear because it gets a bit muddy and a bit slidey as you approach the waterfalls. So just bear that in mind guys. Some good decent footwear. Woo! Hey guys! Hey. Team Tiger! We made it to the Materuni waterfalls! We got more Team Tiger! Yeah. I love Tanzania! Woo! Cold. Hey, we just did cold plunging. Fantastic. Gotta try and get warm now. Let's take that. Simba! Team Tiger. Yeah. Hey guys, so learning is earning. This is called an air potato. So it grows out of the ground on the little vine here. You can see it there. First time Tiger's ever seen an air potato. Fantastic.
And the male, they are really lazy to change color. They are not like a female. Or people call that is elephant ears.
Hey guys, so we're just going into Materuni village. How positive is this? Check out the energy.
Cheers, yeah?
Okay.
That's done, yeah? So the next now we have to check up if all the beans is good, yeah?
Yep.
So if steering, yeah?
Okay.
So the next stage now, we are going to grind up the beans to get the powder.
Happy people, we happy people. Bole bole, wana ruga bila box. Hiwa dere, wana inuka, wana onaya. Tarangire, tarangire. Abu kreta, wana ruga bila box. Chibi wabi chibi, wana inama, wana inuka, wana onaya. Kofi lava, kofi lava. Wana ruga bila box. Wana ruga bila box. Chini chini chini, wana inama, wana inuka, wana onaya. Serengeti, Serengeti. Chini chini chini, wana ruga bila box. Wana inama, wana inuka, wana onaya. Arabica, Arabica. Making coffee, wana ruga bila box. Chini chini chini, wana.
Yeah, will be our last process.
Hey guys, so we just spent the last 20 minutes preparing our coffee beans and we're ready to taste it.
Cheers.
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 Maisha.
Maisha marefu.
Yeah, long life.
Long life.
Long life. I think as a team, we made a very good coffee.
Yeah. Pamoja tunaweza.
Kazi nzuri.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so that's the Materuni waterfalls. It's near Moshi. Hope you've enjoyed the video and I hope it's encouraged you to come to not only the Materuni waterfalls but to Tanzania and to show you that there's more than Kilimanjaro or safari. There's plenty to do in Tanzania. A little bit of cold plunging as well. It's been a fantastic little trail for a few hours of your life. It's a really positive thing to do. And that's what this channel is all about, guys. So we're gonna say goodbye to the Materuni waterfalls, which is just there. And we'll catch you on our next adventure. And it will be a positive one, guys. So stay positive and we'll catch you next time.